Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about probably the worst hat they ever added to Prodigy. Not health wise, but just like how it looks overall. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So if you go to hats and then you go to the bottom, you have the snowflake shades. But the thing about this is it looks like it's 100% photoshopped onto the face. They just made it so that your face is a little tinted, and then that's all that they did to make it look like that. Like, I'm pretty sure I could make this, and that is why I think this is such a bad hat that they added into the game. Like, stuff like this looks a little 3D. This probably couldn't be photoshopped. Yeah, so a lot of these, like this just looks 100% photoshopped onto the head, and now I'm going to try and make this and recreate it. So yeah, so I will take a screenshot of this and I will make this. Okay, so then we go to a background remover. Okay, photo scissors. Like, this is probably one of the easiest things you could make. And it's kind of just stupid. Okay, so now that we have that picture, the next thing that we can do is take a screenshot of my wizard. And I'm not going to bother to take the background out of this. And then I'll go to Canva. So this is where I make all my thumbnails, and I'm just going to be showing you guys that this is a very bad thing that they're doing. So we got all of our stuff. We want this and this. Okay, so if we put this out here, make it a little bigger. Okay, and then we put out these sunglasses. Make them a little smaller. And there, it literally almost looks the exact same. Yeah, it's pretty much the exact same, except in this one you can see their eyes. So yeah, Prodigy, this is a very bad thing. This looks the exact same as this, photoshopped. And yeah, just saying that this is not a very good thing that they did, because it's pretty poorly designed. And yeah, that's pretty much going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye. Also, sorry for the lack of uploads. I've been in or I was on vacation.